ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं
विष्णुं शशिवर्णं
शशिवर्णं
चतुर्भुजं
प्रसन्नवदनं
प्रसन्नवदनं
ध्याये
ध्यायेत्
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. Vijay, I think somebody has to go on mute. Yeah. ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. लोकवीरं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वती हृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहं स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा. वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगदपितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ श्रीपार्वतीपरमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णे नैव सुरक्षितो मसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं चक्रवाटीद्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यप्रजोह्यं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलादरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനോ മഞ്ഞനെ കുമ്പീരേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കുന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Okay. Welcome everyone. I think we have almost everybody on the line. So Nikki, like we said, is we'll do a quick chat. Dasakam 12, or we'll repeat twice, and then we'll go to Dasakam 14 today. So Priya, you'll be able to chant 12, right? And then Ramesh, did you practice? Will you be able to chant 12?
நான் ஃபுல்லா பண்ணேன் 5 வரைக்கும் தான் பண்ணிருக்கேன்
Okay, so Sabita, can you do 12?
I can also do only 5. I have practiced only 5 or 6.
Okay, let me see.
But I can try.
Okay, so and then I want Sangeeta and Srividya Sriraman to do the 14 with me. Okay. All right. So Priya, ninga first pongo, and then Sabita, let's see. You can go today. All right. So the second 12.
स्वायम्भुवो मनुरतो जनसर्गशीलो दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्नां स्रष्टारमापशरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके कष्टं प्रजास्रजति मय्यवनिर्निमग्नां स्थानं सरोजभव कल्पय तत्प्रजानाम् इत्येव वंशकथितो मुनिना इत्येवमेष कथितो मुनिना इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयंभूः अम्भोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं यचन्तीत हा हा विभो जलमहं न्यपिभं पुरस्तात् अद्यापि मज्जति मही किमहं करोमि इत्थं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं शरणं यतोऽस्य नासापुटात् समभवः शिशुकोलरूपी.
And the third and fourth Priya, see if you can do it together, okay? Just because we put a plus.
Karomi ittam.
And ittam twadangri yugalam sharanam yatosya nasa putat samabhava. Okay, the 3 and 4 will come together, okay?
Angushtamatra vapurutpatai purastat.
Vapurutpatitah purastat.
Angushtamatra vapurutpatitah purastat. Bhuyota kumbi sadrishas samajrumbhatastvam. Abretata vidam mudikshya Bhavatam Uchchairhi.
Bhavantam.
I know now why I'm making. Abre tata vidhamudikshya bhavantam uchchairhi vismeratam vidiragat sahasunibhik swaihi kosavachintya mahima kitiruttiro me nasa putat kimu bhaved ajitasya maya ittam vichintyati धातारि सलिलमात्रः सद्यो भवन् किल जगर्जितघोरघोरम्.
3 and 4 look at 3 ittam vichintayati.
इत्थं विचिन्तयति धातरि शैलमात्रः. तं ते निनादम् उपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्ताः सत्यस्थिताश्च मुनयो नुनुगुर्भवन्तं तत्स्तोत्रहर्षुलमनः परिनद्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवात् तरस्त्वम् ऊर्ध्व प्रसारि परिधूम्रविधूतरोमा प्रोक्षिप्त वालाधिरवान् मुखघोरगोणः तूर्णप्रदीर्ण जलदः परिगूर्णदक्ष्णा स्तोतॄन्मुनीन् शिशिरयन्नवतेरितत्वम्.
And the second line, I know some of you send me the recordings also. The second line of stanza 7, a lot of people are saying prokshipta. It's not, there's no ik there. It is a it there. Prokshipta. Right? So it's a small it. So P-R-O-T-H. Prokshipta, not prokshipta.
Prokshipta.
Yeah, correct.
अन्तर्जलं तदनुसङ्कुलनक्रचक्रं भ्राम्यतिमिङ्गिलकुलं कलुषोर्मिमालम् आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्तान् आकम्पयन् वसुमतीम् अगवेशयस्त्वं दृष्टाथ दैत्यहतकेन रसातलन्ते
Talante, rasatalante.
दृष्ट्वा तदैत्यहतकेन रसातलन्ते संवेशितां जटिठि कूटखिठिर्विभो त्वम् आपातुकान् अविगणय्य सुरारिकेठान् दंष्ट्रान् कुरेण वसुधाम् अददः सलीलम्
So, Priya, the first line again, you the talante, just make sure you have that right. Yeah, like you talante nil rendu theruviyum.
Yeah.
Rasatalante.
Okay. एक मेल डैश ओके दृष्ट्वा तदैत्य हतकेन रसातलान्ते
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. अभ्युद्धरन्न तदरां दशनाग्रलग्नमुस्तान् कुरान्कित इवादिकपीवरात्मा युद्धूतघोर
Udduda.
उद्द
You. Udduda.
उद्धूतघोर शलिला जलधेर्नुदञ्चन् किरीडवाराः क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्. Sorry, Nadia, mistake.
No problem. No, that's okay. But we are still learning. Yeah, so no worries.
Rajesh,
beat you, Priya.
doubt. Rajesh, few doubts.
Uh.
But in the 8, 9, and 10, in the all three stanzas, the third line, the sentence ends with na. அது வந்து ரசா இப்போ ரசாதலஸ்தான்னு சொல்லணுமா இல்ல ரசாதலஸ்தான்?
I mean, it depends on the line. இப்போ இந்த லைன்ல வந்து ஆவிஷ்ய பீஷணரவேன ரசாதலஸ்தான் அப்படி you don't have to always say தானு. அந்த தானு is only to get that சொல்லுவோம் அந்த flow going. So in some places it comes like that. But in the 9 ஆபாத்து கான விகணைய சுராரி கேட்டான் தம்ஸ்ட்ரா சுராரி கேட்டான் அந்த இந்த இடத்துல அந்த கேட்டானுன்னு வந்தா you don't get the flow to the next line. அவ்வளவுதான்.
Okay. And if we in like sometimes I don't remember, I have been saying with na and the mari like rasa rasatalasthan and the mari I've been saying.
That's okay. It's nothing wrong. It is just like if you are in the sense that is just the extra emphasis you are giving, right? But in some stanzas you will have to say that. Okay. Which will come. I think we said it in the first dasakam. It will come in other places. In some places like ipo and maybe you guys can mark it and keep in there like avishya bhishanaravena rasatalasthan that's also it will also come sometimes, but sometimes it's not needed.
Yeah. Aduna I noticed like for 8th it is working and I think for 10th it is not working, like uddhuta ghora salila jaladheru tanchan krida andamari pordu. So anga vandu if I give that stress it is not working. So some places it is working.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that is just for how it flows with the tune out of that. So
okay. Thank you, Rajesh.
Can I go now?
You can go, Savita.
स्वयंभुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलो दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्नां स्रष्टारमापशरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यवनीर्निमग्ना स्थानं सरोज भव कल्पय तत् प्रजानाम् इत्येवमेष कथितो मुनुना स्वयंभूः इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयंभूः अम्बोरुहाक्ष तव पादयुगं व्यचिन्तीत् आहा विभो जलमहं न्यपिभं पुरस्तात् अद्यापि मज्जति महि किमहं करोमि इत्थं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं शरणं यतोऽस्य नासाय नासापुटात् समभव शिशिकोलरूपी अङ्गुष्टमात्र वपुरुत्पतितः पुरस्तात् भूयोत कुम्भि सदृशः जृम्भ तात्स्वम्. I will do one more time. The jrumba is not, मात्रवपुरुत्पतितः पुरस्तात् भूयोत कुम्भि सदृशमजृम्भतात्स्वम् अभ्रे तथाविधमुदीक्ष्य भवन्तमुच्चैः विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सह सूनुभिस्वैः कोसावचिन्त्य महिमा किटिरुत्थितो मे नासापुटात् किमु भवेत् अजितस्य माया इत्थं विचिन्त्यति दातरि शैलमात्रः सद्यो भवन् किल जगर्जितघोरघोरं
Sabita,
तं.
on the third line, like Priya Chanamari, you're saying vichintyati. You're putting only a half ta there. It's a full ta. So ittam vichinthayati.
Okay.
Okay.
Ittam vichintayati dharati,
No,
right?
no. Say it again.
Ittam vichintayati.
Correct. Yeah.
Ittam vichintayati datari. Ittam vichintayati धातरि शैलमात्रः सद्यो भवन् किल जगर्जितघोरघोरं तं ते निनादम् उपकर्ण्य जनस्तपस्थाः सत्यस्थिराताश्च मुनयो नुनुवुर्भवन्तं तत्स्तोत्र हर्षलमनाः परिनाद्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्ति अवतारस्त्वम् ऊर्ध्वप्रसारि परिधूम्र विदूतरोमा प्रोक्षिप्त वालदिरवाङ्मुखातु घोणः तूर्णप्रदीर्ण जलदः परिगूर्णदक्ष्णा स्तोतृन्मुनीन् शिशिरयन्नवते அது எப்படி வரும்? I don't know.
शिशिरयन्नवथेरितत्वम्
शिशिरयन्नवतेरितत्वम् अन्तर्जलं तदुनु सङ्कुलनक्रचक्रं भ्राम्यति मिङ्गिलकुलं कलुषोर्मिमालम् आविश्य भीषणरवेन रसातलस्थान् नाकम्पयन् okay. आविश्य भीषणरवेन रसातलस्थान् आकम्पयन् वसुमती अगवेशयस्त्वं दृष्ट्वा तदैत्य हतकेन रसातलान्ते संवेशितां झटिति कूटकिटिर्विभो त्वम् आपातुकान विगण्णय्य सुरारिकेटान् दंश्रां करेण वसुधाम् अदधा सलीलम् अभ्युद्धरन्नतधरां दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्तां करों कित इवादिक परि
the musta, it's mustankurankita. And then the 1 and 2 you have to say it together. Okay, so
okay, I will try. अभ्युद्धरन्नतधरां दशनाग्रलग्न मुस्तां कुराङ्कित इवादिकपिवरात्मा उद्धूत घोरसलिला जलधेरुतज्जन् क्रीटावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्.
okay, all right. So let's go to 14 today. So we said Sangeeta and Sri Vidya, right? Okay. So the 14 and 15 are actually kind of, it goes together, right? So 14 is Kapilopakyanam and 15 is Upadesham, right? So we only know like 10 avatars. Generally people know 10 avatars of Vishnu, but there are a lot more, right, which people are not generally, it's not famous, so it's not in the top 10 category. So in the Mohini avataram, right, which comes, that's one avataram which the other batch they're learning right now. This Kapilopakyanam and Kapilopadesham is also an avataram of the Lord, where the Lord took birth. Then Naranarayana is another one which we learn, later on. So all of those are also avatarams, but they're not the most prominent of ones, or for whatever reason they didn't rank into the top 10, right? Okay, so we'll do chapter 14. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Samanusmrita tavakangri yugmaha samanuh pankaja sambhavanga janma nijamantaramantaraye hinam charitam te katayan sukham ninaya. So Samanu, the Manu, so the Swayambhuva Manu, right, who is the son of Brahma. So Pankaja Sambhavasya, Pankaja Sambhavasya is the one who came from the lotus. The one who came from the lotus is Lord Brahma. So his son, right, who is the Swayambhuva Manu. So in the Nijamantaram Sukham Ninaya, so he was relaxed. The Manvantaram was going on. So each Manvantaram has a Manu. And in one of the other chapters, we look at the classification of time and everything. But for that Manvantaram that was happening, that Swayambhuva Manu was resting peacefully. Everything was actually going fine. And Samanusmrita Tavaka Angri Yugmaha. So he was meditating on the Lord's feet, free from everything, and then Charitam Te Katayana. He was praising all the Lord's glory. So everything was going fine, and then the Swayambhuva Manu was relaxing as that Manvantaram was going on. So the first line, Samanusmrita. Okay, so the first line is continuous, but you can kind of put a line as a divider. Samanusmrita Thava Khangri Yugmaha. Samanusmrita Thava Khangri Yugmaha, comma Samanuf, and the Pankaja irukliya, so and pinada or visarga irukku and the Manuhu kapram, so you can put a F there, so it becomes Samanuf Pankaja Sambhavanga Janma. Pankaja Sambhavanga Janma. Nijam, if you want to break it for convenience now, it will become Nijam Antaram Antaraya Hinam. Nijam Antaram Antaraya Hinam, but you can try to say it together if you are able to. Charitam Te Katayan Sukham Ninaya. Okay, so Samanusmrita Thavakangri Yugmaha Samanuh Pankaja Sambhavanga Janma Nijamantaramantaraye Hinam Charitam Te Katayan Sukham Ninaya.
समनुस्मृता समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुः पङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा निजमन्तरमन्तरायहीनं चरितं ते कथयन् सुखं निनाय समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुः पङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा निजमन्तरमन्तरायहीनं चरितं ते कथयन् सुखं निनाय
समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुः पङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा निजमन्तरमन्तरायहीनं चरितं ते कथयन् सुखं निनाय समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुः पङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा निजमन्तरमन्तरायहीनं चरितं ते कथयन् सुखं निनाय
Stanza 2. समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यो द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाच धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवंस्त्वामयुतं समासिषेवे. So in the நிறைய chaptersல வந்து they'll keep referring to sons of Brahma, and then there'll be like marriages happening between multiple people and all that. So we have to realize, and this is going to happen here as well, is when they say sons of Brahma, it is not like the context of like the human children, right? So these are all coming out of spiritually, right? So in the இடத்துல வந்து so Prajapati, one of the Prajapatis is called Kardama, right? At the Samaye Kalu. So when as Swayambhu Manu was relaxing and everything was going, at the same time, Kardamakeha, a Prajapati whose name was Kardama, Druhina Chaya Bhavaha. He came from the shadow of Brahma, right? So you can technically call he was Brahma's son, or however you want to call it. So he came from the shadow of Brahma. And then Thadiya Vacha, and then based on Brahma's instructions, right? He was also very interested in knowing how the creation is happening. So Kardama Prajapati was also very interested to know how creation is happening. So what he does is, Sisheve, he worships the Lord, he worships you for Ayutam Samaha, for about 10,000 years. So for 10,000 years he's meditating on the Lord because he wants to understand how the process of creation is happening. And Bhaktaripa says, Ramya Bhagavan Tvam. So Bhagavan Tvam, oh Lord, you are Nisarga Ramyam. Who is extremely charming. He meditates on you for 10,000 years because he wants to know how creation happens. So Kardama Prajapati is doing this in parallel. So Samaye Khalu Tatra Kardamakyo, comma, Druhina Chaya. So Druhina, and then before the word Chaya, there is a ich there in between. So Druhina Chaya Bhavas Thadiya Vacha. Druhina Chaya Bhavas Thadiya Vacha. Drita Sarga Raso Nisarga Ramyam, comma, Bhagavamstvam Ayutam. So Tvam Ayutam, Bhagavamstvam Ayutam Samasisheve. So Samaha irukku. So put a small is there. So Samasisheve. Samahe kalu tatra kardamakyo druhinachaya bhavastadhiya vacha drita sargaraso nisargaramyam bhagavamstvamayutam samasisheve.
समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यो द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा द्रुतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवंस्त्वामयुतं समासिषेवे. समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यो द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा धृतसर्गरसो विसर्गरम्यं भगवंस्त्वामयुतं समासिषेवे
समये खलु तत्र कर्तमाख्यो द्रुहिणश्चाय भवस्ततीयवाचा धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवंस्त्वामयुतं
Bhagavamstvam ayutam. So either you can say Bhagavamstvam ayutam, or you can say Bhagavamstvam mayutam.
Okay. Bhagavamstvamayutam samasiveshe.
Yeah, திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க. அது made a couple of mistakes.
Bhagavamstvamayutam.
Twam. Bhagavamstvam ayutam.
Bhagavamstvamayutam samasiveshe.
Sisheve.
Okay. Samasisheve.
Yeah.
Bhagavamstvamayutam samasisheve.
Correct.
Samaye kalu tatra kartamakhyo druhinaschaya bhavastatiya vacha dhrutasargaraso nisargaramyam bhagavamstvamayutam samasisheve.
Bhagavamstvamayutam twam double A.
Bhagavamstvamayutam samasisheve.
Correct.
Bhagavamstvamayutam
I think when you're saying it as tvam only. When you first.
Bhagavamstvamayutam.
Yeah.
Bhagavamstvamayutam. Correct?
நீங்க பாடும்போது when you are chanting it, you are saying it as twam. Anyway, just make a note of it. நீங்க தனியா சொல்லும்போது you are saying twam, but when you are repeating the whole thing, you are saying twam. Okay. And then the other Sangeeta, நீங்க வந்து on the third line, you are saying druta. It's not druta, it's drita.
Oh, sorry. Drita sargaraso.
Yeah, right. Okay.
And the fourth drita, right?
Third line, drita sarga.
And the வந்து the fourth, adana.
The yeah, correct. Fourth one, correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Stanza 3. Garudo parikhala kamram vilasatkeli sarojapani padmam hasito lasitananam vibhotvam vapura vishkurushe smakhardamaya. So here, right, in a lot of instances, even in Dhruva Charitram and other places, right, when somebody is thinking about the Lord, so the question that always is, if somebody comes in front of us, how do you know it is that Lord who has come, right? Because the Lord doesn't have any form. So every instances, right, whether it be Gajendra Moksham when we do in 26, or it be Dhruva Charitram in 17, or in this case, when Kardama is sitting and meditating, the Lord always comes in the form the person is visualizing the Lord to be. Whatever form they visualize the Lord to be, right? So in this case, how the Lord comes is Vibhotvam, O Lord. So Vapu Avish Kurishe. So you did take a form. What for Kardama, right? For specifically for Kardama, the Lord took a form. Garudopari, where he was sitting on Garuda, right? Kala Mega Kamram. So he was as beautiful as the dark gray clouds, the rain bearing clouds, right? Chicago can look outside. It is right now exactly like that. So it's like dark rain bearing clouds, right? So he was sitting on Garuda and he had the dark form. And Saroja Pani Padmam Vilasat Keri. So he had in one of his hands, he had the lotus, right? So that's how the Lord came in front of Kardama. And on seeing that, Hasito Lasitananam. And the Lord also had a very smiling face. So that's how Kardama was visualizing the Lord, and that's how the Lord comes in front of him. So Garudopari Kala Mega Kamram. Kala Mega Kamram, comma. Vilasat Keli Saroja Pani Padmam. Vilasat Keli Saroja Pani Padmam. Hasitolasitananam. So hasitolasi, laughing, right? So hasitolasitananam vibhotvam, comma. Hasitolasitananam Bibo Tvam, comma. Vapura Vishkurushe Sma Khardamaya. So no breaks anywhere. It's just one line, every line, comma after every line.
ராஜேஷ் தேர்ட் லைன்ல எங்க பிரேக் அது ஹசித்தோல்
அது வந்து ஆக்சுவலி பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா ஹசித்தோல் லசித் ஆனனம். ஸோ ஹசித்தோல் லசித் ஆனனம்.
அந்த சீத்துன்னு வருதா? ஹசித்தோல்
லசித் ஹசித்தோல் லசித்
லசித் தானனம்.
யா, நீங்க either you can say ஹசித்தோல் லசித் ஆனனம் or ஹசித்தோல் லசித் ஆனனம். Change it. You say it fast, it shouldn't matter.
லசின் போடுங்க. ஹசித்தோல்ல லசிதானனம்.
ஹசித்தோல் தோல்.
ஹசித்தோல் லசிதானனம்.
கரெக்ட்.
ஓகே சரி. ஓகே.
गरुडोपरि कालमेघकम्भ्रं विलसत्केलि सरोजपाणिपद्मं हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म खर्दमाय.
गरुडोपरि कालमेघकम्भ्रं विलसत्केलिसरोजपाणिपद्मं हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय. गरुडोपरि कालमेघकम्भ्रं विलसत्केलिसरोजपाणिपद्मं हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय.
गरुडोपरि कालमेघकर्मं
कम्रं.
गरुडोपरि कालमेघकम्रं विलसत्केलिसरोजपाणिपद्मं हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय. गरुडोपरि कालमेघकम्रं विलसत्केलिसरोजपाणिपद्मं हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय.
Khardamaya, da. Okay, so just make it da. Yeah.
Okay.
Stanza 4. स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः. So here the Lord then appears, right? So Pulakavritaya Tasmai. Pulakavritaya is like, in the pull, Tamil pull like, you have this, your hair gets erect and you're feeling that, getting the feeling. So Pulakavritaya Tasmai, right? So he is praising the Lord, and when he's praising the Lord, he's getting that feeling. So most of the time, people ask what they want. In some cases, the Lord comes and tells them what needs to be done. So in this case, what he says is, you remember Manu, who we spoke about in the first paragraph, who was also the son of Brahma. So here the Lord says, you will go and you will marry Manu Putrin. You will marry the wife of Manu, daughter of Manu, right? Who's Devahuti, and Daitam, and make her your wife. Okay, so remember Manu was also born from Brahma. Here Kardama is also born from the shadow of Brahma. Saying, go make Manu Putrin your Daitam, make her your wife. And then Anugrihya, then I'm blessing you with Navapi Putrihi, I'm blessing you with 9 daughters. Okay, and then Swayameva Kapilam cha Sutam. Sutam is son. Kapilam is a name, Kapila. Swayameva, I myself will be born to you as Kapila. And Paschat, later on, right? Swagatim chapi, you will then merge, you will get into union with the Lord itself. So eventually when all this happens, and finally you will attain moksham, and then you will go merge with the Lord. அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு நிர்கதோ பூஹு, the Lord disappears. Then here the Lord tells Kardama what needs to be done. So stuvate pulakha vritaya tasmai, comma, pulakha vritaya tasmai Manuputrim Dhayitam Navapi Putrihi. Navapi Putrihi. Then third line, Kapilam Cha Sutam Swameva Paschat, comma. So here you may want to say Paschat, appadan the tune varum. So Paschat, comma. Swagatim Anugrihya. Remember the word Anugrihya, right? So Chapyanugrihya. So it's for people who know Sanskrit, it is Cha Api Anugrihya combined together. Chapyanugrihya. So Chapyanugrihya Nirgato Buhu. Stuvate Pulakavritaaya Tasmai Manuputrim Dayitam Navapi Putrihi Kapilam Cha Sutam Swameva Paschat Swagatim Chapyanugrihya Nirgato Buhu.
स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः
स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः.
So in the second line and the fourth line, right, when you're saying it, so if you, the first two, the Manu is there, Manu Putrin is there, right? But after the word, if you just drop that word Manu a little down and then take Putrim up, so it's like Manu Putrim, then you get the tune on the V Mari. Think of it like that. Similarly, in the last line, Swagatim irukliya. So when you say Swa, you take it down a little, and then Gatim, you take it up a little. Okay? So it's nothing like rule appadi kadiyadu, but that when you say like that, you'll get the flow, right? So Stuvate Pulakavrataaya Tasmai Manuputrim Dayitam Navapi Putrihi Kapilam Cha Sutam Swameva Paschat Swagatim Chapyanugrihya Nirgato Bhuhu. Okay? Stanza 5.
நீங்க சொல்லும்போது ஈஸியா இருக்கு, வாயில வரல.
That's okay. இப்போ வந்து நீங்க கத்துக்கும் போது you learn how to chant, right? அதுக்கப்புறம் practice பண்ணும்போது you can try to get the tune and all that stuff, right?
அதோட சங்கீதமும் எங்களுக்கு வராது, அதனால அது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம்.
எனக்கு மியூசிக்கும் எனக்கு சம்பந்தமே கிடையாது. Anyway,
சங்கீதா நீங்களே அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது.
அதான் சொன்னேன்.
ஆமா, you both have beautiful voices. நீங்க எல்லாம் அப்படி சொன்னீங்களா, நாங்க எல்லாம் எங்க போக?
சரி, பேர் இருக்கிற சங்கீதம் ஞானமே கிடையாது எனக்கு. அதனால வந்துட்டு என்னவோ எங்க அம்மா தப்பா பேர் வச்சிட்டாங்க.
இல்ல, டியூன் 2 தடவை 3 தடவை காதுல விழுந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் வார்த்தைய ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்றதா டியூனை ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்றதா?
இப்போதைக்கு இந்த கிளாஸ் now focus on the words. Right? In the class, focus on the words, make sure you're getting the words correctly, and then you can focus on the tune later, right? Once you get the words, the tune will automatically, you can learn. That's easy. Stanza 5. Samanushyata rupaya mahishya gunavatya sutaya cha devahutya bhavadirita naradhopadishtaha Samaghat kardamamagati pratiksham. So once the Lord Swami Kalambitaring in there, and then at certain points, right, you see in all the stories is Lord Narada comes at certain things to prompt, to take certain things, actions have to happen. And all of the times, Bhattacharya always says, you prompted Narada to go do this, right? So here it says, Bhavadirita Naradopadishtaha. So the Lord prompted Narada, and Narada then went and told whom? Manu, that Manu, that, you know, because he's the father of the daughter, right? So Narada goes and tells Manu that Shatarupaya Mahishya, along with your wife Shatarupa, who's the queen, along with Shatarupa, Gunavatya Sutaya Devahutya, and your daughter Devahuti, who is Sutaya, who is very virtuous, who is like very nice person. So go along with your daughter and your wife and Samagat Kardamam, and go meet Kardama, right? Go meet Kardama and ask for marriage with Kardama. And then so they go and meet Kardama, and then Agati Pratiksham, and Kardama already knew this was going to happen, so he was waiting for them to come. So Manu along with his daughter and wife go to meet Kardama. So that was 5th. Okay. So Sa Manuhu Shatarupayan irukku. So you can put a ish there in between instead of the visarga. So you can say it together. So Samanush Shatarupaya. Shatarupaya is the name of his wife. Shatarupaya Mahishya, comma, Gunavatya Sutaya Cha Devahutya. Bavadirita. So Bavadirita is one word. Bavadirita Naradopadishtaha. Naradar Upadishtaha. So Bavadhirita Naradopadishtaha, comma, Samaghat Kardamam Agati Pratiksham. Samaghat Kardamam Agati Pratiksham. Samanushyatarupaya Mahishya Gunavatya Sutaya Cha Devahutya Bavadhirita Naradopadishtaha Samaghat Kardamamagati Pratiksham.
Samanushyatarupaya Mahishya Gunavatya Sutaya Cha Devahutya Bhavatirita Naradopadishtaha Samagat Kardamamagati Pratiksham. Samanushyatarupaya Mahishya Gunavatya Sutaya Cha Devahutya Bhavatirita Naradopadishtaha Samagat Kardamamagati Pratiksham.
Samanushyatarupaya Mahishya Gunavadya Sudhaya Cha
Sutaya.
Gunavadya Sutaya Cha Devahutya Bhavatirita Naradopadishtaha Samagat Kardamamagati Pratiksham. Samanushyatarupaya Mahishya Gunavadya Sutaya Cha Devahutya Bhavatirita Naradopadishtaha Samagat Kardamamagati Pratiksham.
Correct. Answer 6. Manuno Pahritam Cha Devahutim Taruni Ratnamavapya Kardamosau Bhavadarchana Nirvrutopi Tasyam Dridashushrushanaya Dadau Prasadham. So Devahuti Tharuni Ratnam. So she was not just a jewel. She was, she was one of the jewels among all the women, right? So Devahuti was then Manuna Apahritam. So Upahritam. So Manu then gives Devahuti and to Kardama, and they get married. And then Kardama, however, is Bhavat Archana Nirvritaha. So Kardama is still always, focused on, worshipping the Lord. Bhavat Archana, focused on worshipping the Lord. However, he is pleased, Dado Prasadam, he is happy and pleased with Devahuti's service to him and to the Lord, right? So not only is Kardama praying to the Lord, Devahuti is also actively involved in it. So Manuno Pahritam, Manuno Pahritam Cha Devahutim, Kutiti, Devahutim, comma, Taruni Ratnam Avapya. So Taruni Ratnam Avapya Kardamosau. Bhavadarchana nirvritopi. Bhavadarchana nirvritopi tasyam drida. So you can put a, maybe it's not a pause but like a line or break. Drida shrushanaya dhadau prasadam. So drida kuttishu shrushanaya dadau prasadam.
Rajesh, Dridashu Shrushnaya va?
Yeah, correct. Dridashu shrushanaya.
Okay. Sure.
Manunopahritam cha devahootim tarunhiratnamavapya kardamosau bhavadarchana nirvritopi tasyam. So here again, remember, when you saying Dridashushrushana, you can bring that first portion a little down and take it up. Dridashushrushana dadau prasadam.
मनुनोपहृतां च देवहूतिं तरुणीरत्नमवाप्य कर्दमोऽसौ भवदर्जननिवृतोऽपि तस्यां दृढशुश्रूषणया ददौ प्रसादम्.
Sangeeta, and again, fourth line la drungrel, it's dru.
Oh, sorry. धृतशुश्रूषणया वा इल्ल
Dridashushrushανaya
दौ प्रसादम्. Okay. धृतशुश्. Okay. मनुनोपहृतां च देवहूतिं तरुणीरत्नमवाप्य कर्दमोऽसौ भवदर्जननिवृतोऽपि तस्यां धृतशुश्रूषणया ददौ प्रसादम्.
Correct.
मनुनोपहृतां च देवहूतिं तरुणीरत्नमवाप्य कर्दमोऽसौ भवदर्शननिवृतोऽपि तस्यां दृढशुश्रुणया Shrushanaya. Okay. Dridashushrushανaya dadau prasadam.
Correct. Adhe means see the third line la bhavadarchana cha archana. Bhavadarchana.
Bhavadarchana nirvrutopi tasyam dridashushrushανaya shrushanaya dadau prasadam. Manunopahrutam cha devahutim. La, ragame tappu. Manunopahrutam cha devahutim taruniratnamavapya kartamosau bhavadarshana nirvritopi tasyam dridashu shrunusha.
இல்ல நீங்க dridashuva சேர்ந்து சொல்லுங்க. Dridashu, take it down.
Okay. Dridashu
Shrushanaya.
Shrushanaya dadau prasadam.
Correct.
Shrushanaya.
Okay. நீங்க திரும்பி அந்த third line வந்து நீங்க வந்து bhavadarshana அப்படினு ஷ கேக்குறது. It's a cha.
Darchana. Okay.
Yeah.
Manunopahrutam cha devahutim taruniratnamavapya kartamosau bhavadarchana nirvritopi tasyam dridashushrushανaya dadau prasadam.
Yeah. 7. Sapunastwadupasana prabhavat daita kama krite vimane vanita kula sankulo navatma vyaharadheva pateshu devahutyam. So he, Kardama, tad upasana prabhavat. So because of doing all the upasana to the Lord, he gets a lot of, because of all the glory of that, what he does is, Daita is wife, Daita kama krite, to fulfill the wishes of his wife, Devahuti, right? Nava Atma, he takes a new body, right? So because of all the powers they had, he was able to get a new body, and then he actually built a or krite vimane, he built an aerial vehicle, right? So he built a plane which can take him to other places, and then he then went along with Devahuti to Deva Padeshu, to the place where the gods are there, right? So kind of like Indra, like a celestial place, right? So he took Devahuti and went in an aerial vehicle to that place. And Vanita Kula Sankulaha, they had a lot of female attendants and everything who were taking care of them. So here, Sa Punas Tvad Upasana, or you can say Twadupasana together also. Sa Punas Tvad Upasana Prabhavan, Sanskrit irukka Prabhavan potu double the irukum next line la. So what you do is you make it Prabhavath. So put a th at the end of the first line. So Prabhavath, you can put that emphasis there. Prabhavath, comma. Next line la make it Dayita. Dayita. Dayitha. Dayitha. So it becomes Dayitha Kama Krite Vimane. Okay, Dayitha Kama Krite Vimane. Vanita Kula Sankulo Navatma, comma. Vyaharad அந்த வியஹரக்கு அப்புறம் வந்து ரெண்டு த இருக்கு. It will be a the, another the at the bottom. So you say the first the with vyahara. Vyaharat Deva Pateshu Devahutya. So Deva Pateshu, you can remember the place where the lords are. Deva Pateshu. So Vyaharat Deva Pateshu Devahutya.
Rajesh, is it Vanita Kula Sankuleva Sankulova?
Sankulo.
Okay, my book has Kule.
Some place, okay. So I think, yeah, last time also, there were 2-3 places where things were different. So just change it to Sankulo.
Okay.
Rajesh, அதே லைன் தான். Vanita Kula Sankulova இல்ல Vanita Kula Sankulova.
Vanita is one word, Kula is one word, Sankulo is one word. Okay. But on the break we are doing so that you know where to break, but you can say it all together.
Vanita Kula Sankulotvatma
Navatma, correct. Okay.
You know, because my book is also very old. It's from 1990s that I got.
Yeah.
So adula Kulenu potirukku, adanala da I'm doubtful.
Okay, I don't know if anybody has a book. Last time on the Matta group, most of them had it as Kulo only, so we kept it that way.
Oh.
Okay.
Engada book irukku Rajesh, it says Kulo in my book.
That's see, different books have like oral books la onnu mari irukum. So some places I've made changes saying flip from what I have, but in that we kept it as Vanita Kula Sankulo.
Okay.
Change it to Kulo. Okay. So Sapunas Twadupasana Prabhavat Daitha Kama Krite Vimane Vanita Kula Sankulo Navatma Vyaharad Deva Pateshu Devahutya.
Sapunastwadupasana prabhavat Dayita Kama Krite Vimane Vanita Kula Sankulotnavatma Vyaharad Deva Pateshu Devahutya. Sapunastwadupasana prabhavat Dayita Kama Krite Vimane Vanita Kula Sankulo Navatma Vyaharad Deva Pateshu Devahutya.
Sapunastvatupasana na prabhavat Dayita Kama Krite Vimane Vanita Kula Sankulo Navatma Vyaharat Deva Pateshu Devahutya. Sapunastvad Twadupasana Prabhavat Dayita Kama Krite Vimane Vanita Kula Sankulo Navatma Vyaharat Deva Padeshu Devahutya.
Stanza 8. शतवर्षमतव्यतीत्य सोऽह्यं नवकन्या समवाप्य धन्यरूपाः वनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ताहितकृत्वज्जननोत्सुकोऽन्यवात्सीत्. So then when they go right to the garden and the garden of the gods, Shatavarsham, so 100 years pass, right? So they spend 100 years happily. Then they get Navakanya Samavapya. So they get the 9 daughters, right? As was previously said. And all those 9 daughters are Dhanya Rupaha. They are all like very beautiful daughters that they get. And the 9 daughters Anakapram, then Kardama is saying, you know what? Vanayana Samudyati. I think it's time for me to go to the forest. I'm going to take sannyasam, and he decides the time for me to go to the forest. Then Kanta, but then his wife then says, and then they're reminded about Tvat Jana Utsukaha. So for your birth, right? So they're eagerly now waiting for your birth, O Lord. So because of that reason, he decides not to go to the forest, and then he stays home. Or, he doesn't go, he stays back, right? So that's what is happening. So they get the 9 daughters, and that's stanza 8. So Shata Varshamata Vyatitya Soyam, comma, Navakanya, and then Samavapya, you can put a is there because it's Navakanyaha Samavapya, right? You can put a is there. Navakanyas Samavapya Dhanya Rupaha. Dhanya Rupaha. Vana Yana Samudyatopi Kantha, and then put a plus there to say lines 3 and 4 together. So Vanayana Samudyatopi Kantha Hita Krit Tvajjana Notsuko. Tvajjana. So remember the word Tvajjana. Tvajjana Notsuko Nyavat Seat. So on the line maybe a little bit of a tongue twister. Hita Krit Tvajjana Notsuko Nyavat Seat.
எங்க பிரிக்கணும் ராஜேஷ்?
Hita Krit Tvajjana Notsuko Nyavat Seat. It's actually Tvajjana Utsuko, but you can kind of say Tvajjana Notsuko and Chuliklam. That's okay. When you say it in normal, when you can practice when you're saying it together, it shouldn't matter at all. இப்போ கொஞ்சம் learn பண்ணும்போது தான் to break it.
I think the music ஓட சேரும்போது the line word ஒண்ணா இருக்கு.
It will come together, yes, because you are not stopping there. Shatavarshamatatvyatitya sohyam navakanya samavapya dhanyarupah vanayana samudyatopi kantahita kritvajjananotsukonyavatsit.
शतवर्षमतव्यतीत्य सोऽयं नवकन्या समवाप्य धन्यरूपाः वनयान समुद्यतोऽपि कान्ताहितकृत् त्वज्जननोत्सुको न्यवात्सीत्.
And the Sangeeta, the third line like say it like Vanayana Samudyatopi Kantahita. Obviously, you will not be able to say that, and the tune will complete off. Okay. Kantahita Krit, and again get it down and then take it up. Okay.
Vanayana Samudyatopi Kantahita Kritvajjanotsuko. Okay. Vanayana Samudyatopi Kantahita Kritvajjanotsuko Nyavatsit.
Say the last line slower. Slower chalunga.
Vanayana Samudyatopi Kantahita Kritvajjanotsuko. Krit. Okay. Kritvajjanotsuko
Tvajjanana. Tvajjananotsuko. So
Tvajjananotsuko Nyavatsit.
Correct.
I'll try it one more time. Vanayana samudyatopi kantahita kritva janot tvajjananotsuko nyavatsit.
Correct.
Shatavarshamatatvyatitya soyam navakanya samavapya dhanya rupaha. Vanayana samudyatopi kantahita kritva jananotsuko nyavatsit.
Yeah, correct.
Off tune, but I'll try to.
And the kanta, I think you are not stretching it a little bit. If you stretch it a little bit, you will get that continuation. But
Because I want to rush it to the next line.
शतवर्षमतव्यतीत्य सोऽयं नवकन्या समवाप्य तन्धन्यरूपाः वनयानस्मुद्यतोऽपि कान्ताहितकृत्वजननोत्सुको न्यवासीत् शतवर्षमथ व्यतीत्य सोऽयं नवकन्या समवाप्य धन्यरूपाः वनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ताहितकृत्वजननोत्सुको न्यवासीत्.
Correct. Yeah, just make sure, correct Chanel, just all of you make sure that it's tvajjana. There's a kutti ja and then a regular ja. Tvajjana notsukonya vasi. Stanza 9. Nijabartrugira bhavannisheva nirataya matadeva devahutyam kapilas tvamajayata janhanam pratahishyan paramatma tattva vidyam. So then he stays back at home. So to Devahuti, who is Bhavat Nisheva Niratayam. So all the time Devahuti is praying to the Lord, right, intending on your worship. So at the words of her husband, right, now then, O Lord, Kapila Tvam Ajayata. Now the Lord is born, right? So, O Lord, you are now born as Kapila, right? And the reason the Lord was born as Kapila, the purpose of this birth is to Pratayishyan, to teach all the people, Jananam, Paramatma Tattva Vidyam, right? So the knowledge of the Supreme Being. So that's what the Kapilopadesham we are going to learn in the next chapter, is to teach his mother, the Lord's mother, Devahuti, right? So Lord, in the Mahabharata, Gita was told by Lord to Arjuna. So here in the Kapilopadesham, that's also a big philosophy. And that philosophy was told by the Lord to his mother Devahuti, but it's for the benefit of everybody, right? So that will come in the next chapter. So in the stanza is where the actual avataram of the Lord is happening, where the Lord is born as Kapila. So Nija Bartru. Okay, Nija Bartru Gira. Then Bhavan Nisheva, and then put a plus to say it together. Lines 1 and 2 go together. Bhavan Nisheva Nirathayam Atha Deva Devahutyam. Nirathayam Atha Deva Devahutyam. Kapilas Tvam Ajayata Jananam. Kapilas Tvam Ajayata Jananam, comma. Pratayishyan Paramatma Tattva Vidyam. Double it, Tattva Vidyam.
Rajesh, so Nija Bartrua la Bartrugirava. Tru, then
not true.
Okay.
Nija Bartrugira.
The third line eppadi split pannu, Rajesh?
So in the Kapilaha, it is actually Kapilaha, but instead of the Visarga, they put a is to make it a sentence, right? So you can break it at Kapilas Tvam Ajayata Janana.
Okay, thank you.
Kapilastva Majayata.
Kapilastvam Ajayata Janana.
Kabilastvam Ajayata Janana.
Yeah. निज भर्तृगिरा भवन्निषेवा निरतायामत देवदेवहूत्यां कपिलस्त्वमजायता जनानां प्रतहिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम्
निज भर्तृगिरा भवन्निषेवा निरतायाम तदेव देवहूत्यां कपिलस्त्वमजायता जनानां प्रतयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम् निज भर्तृगिरा भवन्निषेवा निरतायाम तदेव देवहूत्यां कपिलस्त्वमजायता जनानां प्रतयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम्
निज भर्तृगिरा भवन्निषेवा निरतायामत देवदेवहूत्यां कपिलस्त्वमजायता जनानां प्रतयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम्
प्रतयिष्यन् double या சொன்ன மாதிரி இருந்தது
प्रतयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम्
correct
निज भद्रगिरा भवन्निषेवा निरतायामत देवदेवहूत्यां कपिलस्त्वमजायत यथा जनानां प्रतयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम्
correct last stanza वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने मत सर्वस्वमुपादिशन् जनन्ये कपिलात्मक वायुमन्दिरेश त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौघात्. So after the Lord is born, the Vanameyushi Kardame Prasanne, Kardama is now happy, and then he now eventually goes to the forest, right? So here in the last stanza, in the ella chapters for the last stanza, Bhattaripad always will summarize what is the purpose of that chapter, right? And then say, please help me out. So here he says, Kapilatmaka, oh Lord, you were born as Kapila, Upadishan Jananye, right? To teach the entire world Mata Sarvaswam, about this philosophy of yours, right? So you are born as Kapila to benefit the entire world, right? So why can't you just quickly Paripahi remove Mam Gadaugat, all my miseries and all my things. So you were born, you took all this effort to be born as Kapila, to help the whole world and everything, just to eradicate my disease that I have, and my misery should be nothing for you, right? So please help me out. So that's how he ends this chapter here. So Vanameyushi Khardame Prasanne, comma, Mata Sarvaswam Upadishan Jananye. So Mata Sarvaswam Upadishan, but again try to say it all together eventually. Sarvaswam Upadishan Jananye Kapilatmaka Vayu Mandiresha Twaritam Twam Paripahi Mam Gadaugat. Vanameyushi Kardame Prasanne Mata Sarvaswamupadishan Jananye Kapilatmaka Vayu Mandiresha Twaritam Tvam Paripahi Mam Gadaugat.
वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने मत सर्वस्वमुपादिशन् जनन्यै कपिलात्मक वायुमन्दिरेश त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौघात्. वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने मत सर्वस्वमुपादिशन्
Mata Sarvaswam
Upadishan. Vanameyushi Kardame Prasanne Mata Sarvasmupadishan Jananyai.
I think you
Okay. वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने मत सर्वस्मुपादिश.
Sarvaswam. Remember that word sarvaswam.
Okay. Sarvaswam, and I'll split as Sarvaswam and Upadishan.
Yeah.
Vanameyushi Kardame Prasanne Mata Sarvaswam Upadishan Jananyai Kapilatmaka Vayu Mandiresha Twaritam Tvam Paripahi Mam Gadaugat. One more time, I'll just.
Yeah.
Vanameyushi Kardame Prasanne Mata Sarvaswam Upadishan Jananyai Kapilatmaka Vayu Mandiresha Twaritam Tvam Paripahi Mam Gadaugat.
वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने मद सर्वस्वमुपादि संजनन्यै कपिलात्मक वायुमन्दिरेश त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौकात् वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने मद सर्वस्वमुपाधिशन् जनन्यै कपिलात्मक वायुमन्दिरेश त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौकात्.
That ends the chapter Daskam 14. Thinking. So in the Daskam 15 I already have a recording of the meaning, because in the 15th chapter might be a little harder chapter. So 12 and 14, as you can see, were relatively easy compared to like 1, right? So in the 15 is a little bit harder. So what I'll do is 15 I already have the meaning, so I'm going to send that out ahead of time so you all can listen to that philosophy what Kapila tells his mother Devahuti, and then we'll focus the next class on the chapter itself of how to chant that. Okay, so I can, since we have a few minutes, let me just say 14 once and then we'll end the class. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Samanusmrita Tavakangri Samanuh Pankaja Sambhavanga Janma Nijamantaramantaraya Hinam Charitam Te Katayan Sukham Ninaya Samaye Khalu Tatra Kardamakyo Druhinachaya Bhavastadhiya Vacha Drita Sargaraso Nisargaramyam Bhagavam Swamayutam Samasisheve Garudo Parikala Mega Kamram Vilasatkeli Sarojapani Padmam Hasitolasitananam Vibhotvam Vapura Vishkurushe Smakhardamaya Stuvate Pulakavritaya Tasmai Manuputrim Dayitam Navapi Putri Kapilam Chasutam Swameva Paschat Swagathim Chapyanugruhya Nirgato Bhuh Samanushata Rupaya Mahishya Gunavatya Sutaya Cha Devahutya Bhavadhirita Naradopadishtaha Samaghat Kardamamagati Pradiksham Manunopahritam Cha Devahutim Taruni Ratnamavapya Kardamosau Bhavadarchana Nirvritopi Tasyam Drida Shushrushanaya Dadhau Prasadam Sapunastwadupasana Prabhavate Daitha Kama Krite Krite Vimane Vanita Kula Sankulo Navatma Vyaharat Deva Pateshu Devahutya Shatavarshamatavyatītya sohyam Navakanya Samavapya Dhanya Rupāha Vanayana Samudyatopi Kanta Hita Kritva Jananotsukonyavatsit Nija Bhartragira Bhavannisheva Nirathaya Mata Deva Devahutyam Kapilastvam Ajayata Jananam प्रतयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्यां वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने मत सर्वस्वमुपादिशञ्जनन्यै कपिलात्मकवायुमन्दिरेश त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौघात् कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः. Okay.
So இது ஒரு ராகமா ராஜேஷ்? I think 1 11 12 ஒரு ராகம், இது ஒரு ராகம்.
12 and 14, let's see. Swayambhu, yeah, 12 is one ragam, 14 is one ragam. One is one. Generally, in the mood, I don't think that 69 is a different ragam of its own because of the Rasa Krida. But other than that, most of them should pretty much fall into one of these three.
I think the mindல the ராகம் வரும்போது words also follow with that. We have to practice more and bring it.
Correct, I know. And then somebody was asking in the question, how do you know which chapter is what ragam? I know it's difficult to mark it, but I think eventually you'll get it, I guess, right? So like, so I don't know, maybe you guys can put some code and keep 1, 12, 14 have all been 3 different ones, but rest of the stuff should be consistent with these. Okay, so we'll say Sandra Nandava and then we'll end the class. Sandranandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam कालदेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानाम् कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. Okay, everyone, excellent job today. So we are able to finish 5 minutes early.